Imagine a world where tiny, squishy, colorful treats rule the day. A world where gummy bears and worms are not just candies, but little bundles of joy with the power to turn a bad mood sweet. Every day, millions of these chewy, fruity heroes are born in candy factories, marching straight from conveyor belts to snack bowls, lunchboxes, and pockets worldwide. But did you know that gummy bears aren't always so tiny? The biggest gummy bear ever made weighs a whopping 26 pounds and packs a jaw-dropping 32,000 calories. Enough to satisfy even the most insatiable sweet tooth. Behind their gummy grins and rainbow hues lies a surprisingly complex process. Equal parts science, magic, and a dash of candy wizardry. So grab a handful of your favorite gummies and let's dive into the sweet, sticky, and totally fascinating world of gummy candy production. You might never look at these squishy delights the same way again. Gummy candy and food pairing and gourmet uses. Gummy candies aren't just sweet treats anymore. They're shining in gourmet kitchens and medicine cabinets. Chefs use gummies as fun garnishes for desserts and cocktails, or infuse them into drinks like tea, soda, and even booze. For a quirky twist, pair gummies with cheese, wine, or chocolate, because why not combine two irresistible indulgences? Gummies are also shaking up healthcare. From pain relief to sleep aids, pharmaceutical gummies make medicine way more enjoyable, while gummy vitamins keep kids and adults happy and healthy. The future? Personalized health gummies tailored to your genetics or diet. Whether in cocktails or vitamins, gummies are making life sweeter, squishier, and a lot more fun. Ingredients and recipe development. When it comes to making gummy candies, it all starts with a top-notch lineup of ingredients. The base crew includes gelatin, glucose syrup, and sugar, each pulling its weight to give gummies their bounce, chew, and sweetness. Without them, you just have flavored soup. Not ideal for snacking. But the magic doesn't stop there. Enter the enhancers, the MVPs of the gummy world. Natural and artificial flavorings, vibrant colorings, and a pinch of citric or malic acid for that zingy, tangy kick. These ingredients are the reason your gummy bears don't just taste sweet, but pack a personality punch in every bite. Here's the twist. Getting these ingredients to play nice together isn't as easy as it sounds. That's where food technologists, aka candy wizards, step in. These experts experiment tirelessly, tweaking ratios and cooking up new flavor profiles like mad scientists in lab coats, probably sticky ones. Preparing the slurry. With the perfect blend of ingredients ready, the journey moves to the next crucial step: creating the magical base known as the slurry. This isn't your average kitchen experiment, it's like a candy symphony playing out in industrial tanks the size of swimming pools. First up, the base ingredients. Gelatin, glucose syrup, and sugar take the stage, combining their powers to form a sticky, sweet mixture. This blend is heated to just the right temperature, ensuring the gelatin melts perfectly and the texture becomes as smooth as a gummy bear's charm. Now comes the fun part, adding the personality. Flavorings and colorings are mixed in, turning the plain slurry into a vibrant rainbow of tastes and hues. Raspberry, pineapple, and lemon? Check. A splash of bold red or sunny yellow? Absolutely. It's like a party in the tank, and every bear-to-be is invited. And just like that, the slurry is ready to take the next step toward becoming the chewy, colorful little treats we all love. Science and sweetness. What a combo! It's time for the next act, transforming this sweet concoction into the iconic shapes we all know and love. Molding the candy. This is where the gummy magic turns up a notch, giving those colorful slurries their iconic bear and worm shapes. Starch trays are the unsung heroes here, meticulously prepared and smooth to create perfect molds. Each tray gets a loving press with shape-stamped boards, leaving behind flawless indentations that will soon cradle the gummy goodness. Once the molds are ready, the slurry takes the spotlight. Precision nozzles swoop in like candy architects, carefully depositing the exact amount of sweet mixture into every mold. The entire process is so precise that each gummy is a masterpiece in the making, uniform in size, shape, and sweetness. It's a mesmerizing dance of starch, slurry, and sheer gummy perfection. Cooling and setting. With their shapes perfected in the molds, it's time for the gummies to take a well-earned breather and prepare for their next transformation. After strutting their stuff in the molds, the gummies head off for a little me time in a climate-controlled room. This isn't just any room, it's a carefully curated gummy retreat where the temperature and humidity are just right for them to develop that signature chewy, bouncy texture. Think of it as a gummy yoga retreat, minus the meditation but with plenty of sweet relaxation. When they're perfectly set, it's time to say goodbye to their starchy beds. The molds are flipped like pancake day at a candy diner, and the gummies tumble out in perfect formation. But they're not done yet. A quick trip through a sieve shakes off any clinging starch, leaving them fresh, smooth, and ready for their next adventure. These little treats are starting to look like stars in the making. Finishing touches. After their well-deserved rest and a refreshing starch dust off, the gummies are prepped and primed for their glamorous final touches. Think of it as their candy makeover. Here's where the magic really shines, literally. The gummies head into their polishing phase where they're treated to a delicate coating of beeswax or another food-safe gloss. Picture a giant candy spa complete with rotating drums that gently tumble these gummy celebrities until they're dazzlingly shiny and camera-ready. It's the final step to give them that smooth, irresistible glow that practically whispers, "Eat me!" But wait, there's more. For gummies destined for a sweet and sour twist, they take a detour into Flavor Town. A quick roll in sugar crystals or tangy sour powder transforms them into zesty little showstoppers. Whether they're going for subtle sweetness or an all-out sour punch, this step gives each gummy its unique personality. By the end, every gummy is polished, coated, and ready to be the star of snack time. Quality control. Once their shiny glow and finishing touches are perfected, it's time for the gummies to face their ultimate test: quality control, where only the sweetest survive. Welcome to the Gummy Final Exam, where every gummy bear, worm, or ring must prove it's worthy of your taste buds. It's not just about looking cute. These candies are judged on their perfect texture, flavor, and that irresistible chew. Is it the right shade of red? Does it have the perfect fruity zing? If not, back to Gummy Boot Camp for a little more TLC. And here's the sweet perk. There's actually a dream job where people get to taste gummies all day. Along with some high-tech automated checks, human tasters ensure each batch is up to snuff. So, rest easy. Every gummy that ends up in your hands has passed the ultimate test and is ready to delight your taste buds. No gummy left behind. Packaging and distribution. After passing quality control with flying colors, our gummy stars get ready for their big debut. First, they're sorted by shape and color, because even gummies want to look their best. Whether they're vibrant bears or wiggly worms, each one gets its moment in the spotlight. Next, the magic of portion control kicks in. High-tech machines weigh the perfect mix of colors and flavors, and the gummies are sealed in bags tighter than a vault to lock in that fruity freshness. Once they're all dressed up with labels, they're packed into boxes and ready to hit the shelves. From factory to candy aisle, it's a journey that ends with a smile. Yours, of course. Hygiene and safety standards. Behind every delicious gummy is a spotless, squeaky clean process. From the first mix to the final seal, hygiene is taken as seriously as the taste. Workers suit up like gummy guardians, washing hands, sanitizing surfaces, and keeping every nook and cranny clean. In modern production, starchless depositing takes things up a notch in the cleanliness game. This method not only speeds up the gummy making process, but also ensures the candies are handled with care and remain in pristine condition. With state-of-the-art equipment and rigorous safety protocols, your gummies are made in an environment that's as sweet as the product itself. Science behind gummies. Ever wonder what makes gummy candies so delightfully chewy?
Distinct taste and appearance.
The magic starts with gelling agents, the unsung heroes of gummy perfection. Gelatin gives that classic melt-in-your-mouth chew, while agar-agar, made from seaweed, keeps things firm for vegan fans. Then there's pectin, the fruity MVP, delivering a soft, jelly-like bounce. These agents team up with the perfect balance of heat, pH, and humidity. Too hot, and you've got goo. Too dry, and your gummies might double as paperweights. But let's talk flavor, the real showstopper. Aromatic compounds and fruity extracts create that burst of sweetness or tang, with every gummy releasing its magic slowly, keeping each chew exciting. So, next time you snack on a gummy bear or worm, remember, it's not just candy, it's a chewy, fruity masterpiece with a side of science and a whole lot of fun. And there you have it, folks. The epic, chewy, colorful journey of the mighty gummy bear. From vats of gooey goodness to shining stars of gourmet dishes, these tiny bears have proven they're not just candy. They're icons. Whether they're chilling on a dessert, swimming in your drink, or sneakily delivering your vitamins, gummy bears are here to make life sweeter, one squishy bite at a time. What's your go-to gummy shape? Are you all about the classic bear, team wiggly worm, or do you dream of gummies shaped like unicorns, dinosaurs, or something totally wild? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And while you're at it, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more sweet adventures. Let's keep it chewy, folks!